Like Oprah, I love bread, but bread does not love me or my body or my hips or thighs. So this is a bread by Maria Emmerich, and it's her protein saving modified bread. And what I'm showing you here is a bread slicer that I totally got on the cheap. Woohoo! So I made this bread last night and it turned out so good. So I'm gonna slice it up and let you guys see it. And that is the bread slicer out of the box. Very cool. Really nice looking too. And that's what the bread looks like. Oh my God, it looks so real. It's made with egg whites and egg white protein. Can you believe it? So check this out. I'm gonna slice it or attempt to slice this bread on camera. And I will leave a link to the recipe because I know you guys want to make it and I know you want to try it. And it will be worth it because it does taste so good. All right, so this is me attempting to slice the bread. It's actually a watermelon knife, but it's serrated, so I kind of just went with it. But I couldn't slice it on camera while holding the camera, obviously. So I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like after I cut it. Oh my gosh. Doesn't it look good? Doesn't it look authentic? Because it's real. It's authentic, guys. It's real bread. Look at that, how it has some little nooks and crannies and the holes in it. So, oh my goodness. I could not wait to taste this. I really like it toasted. This is only my second time making this bread. But Maria Emmerich, I'll tag her here so you can follow her and find all of her amazing books and recipes. I think she has like 14 books. They all support a healthy lifestyle, whether you're keto, carnivore, or protein sparing, modifying fasting, which I'm doing. So look at this. You know I was gonna do it. I'm putting this right on the griddle. I can't wait to eat ya. So I'm a little hungry, but I haven't had dairy in so long. I wanted a grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese. So I decided to put a couple slices of Havarti cheese on this bread. And I know it's going to be good. I've never had Havarti before, actually. But look, see the bottom starting to get a little golden brown. So we're just going to wait it out. It's a total AMSR experience if I shut up. So check it out. Okay, I can't stop. Doesn't it look good? Oh my goodness. It got so golden. And look at the crust. And look at the cheese. Oh, those angles. And this is just on a little Power XL griddle. It's melting. I cannot wait to eat this. And there it is, plated. Nooks and crannies. Little peephole so you can see the cheese. And don't worry, don't you worry your pretty little head. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite so you can see the inside of it too. If anything else, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you decide to make a sandwich. Namaste. Healthy.